We're excited to introduce our Hi-ViZ TricLED Mirror Lights for the 2020 and newer RT models. These lights are encased in an injection molded plastic housing with a smoked out lens for that sleek and stealthy look. They're equipped with a custom-made PCB board that delivers a really cool startup sequence, as well as bright white running lights and amber sequential turn signals, adding both style and safety to your ride. Each light is backed with high-strength 3M VHB backing tape, ensuring a secure attachment point to the backside of the mirror housing. And of course, they're 100% plug-and-play for a hassle-free installation. Now that you know what this mod is and what it can do for you, allow our team to walk you through the installation process on our Shop 2020 RT.
Before you begin, make sure that your bike is on level ground, your parking brake is engaged, and that you've allowed your engine adequate time to cool. Please note that we'll be starting out this installation as though you've already installed our 1 and a 2 front fender power harness. The fender power harness is required for installation and sold separately, but once installed, gives you a conveniently located power port on both sides of the bike to power this mod, as well as several other TricLED lighting products. Starting on the right throttle side of the bike, use a plastic pry tool to carefully remove the rear portion of the side view mirror housing. It's held in place with metal retention clips. Test fit the LED light so that the curvature of the light itself aligns with the curvature of the mirror cover. It should be resting along the upper ridge line of the mirror cover with the wiring harness pointed towards the inside of the mirror so that it's pointing towards the bike when reinstalled later in the video. Once you have the light in position, hold it firmly in place as you apply painter's tape around the entire perimeter of the LED light. Then remove the light and use the included alcohol pad to clean and prep the painted surface area and allow that to dry. Then apply the included adhesion promoter to the same painted surface area and allow that to dry. We do recommend that you wear a glove on the hand that's being used to apply the primer. As you remove the painter's tape, you should see a clear difference between the prepped and unprepped surface area. This will provide you with a visual outline of where the mirror should be adhered once the tape is fully removed. Remove a small portion of the 3M VHB backing tape closest to the side of the light with the wiring harness, and carefully adhere the LED light into place, ensuring that the harness aligns with the edge of the mirror housing. Once that corner is adhered, remove the remaining backing film and press firmly to adhere the rest of the light into place. Then remove the protective film covering the light. Add a dab of dielectric grease to the white connectors on both sides of the included extension harness. Plug one side into the included Y-splitter and the other side into the connector coming from the LED mirror light. Insert the extension and Y-splitter through the small opening near the mirror housing located here, and route it down to the A-arm. Then reinstall your mirror housing, making sure that all retention clips are fully seated. Add a dab of dielectric grease to the Y-splitter coming from your new mirror light, and connect it to the power harness at the end of your 1 and a 2 front fender power harness. Turn on your ignition to test the light. The light has a cool startup sequence and then should switch to a bright white running light. When you engage your turn signal, the light should switch over to an amber sequential. You'll notice at this point that you still have an open power port on the Y-splitter we just connected. This power port can be used to power other TricLED lighting mods, such as our front and rear-facing A-arm lights, as well as our floorboard lights. Now go back through and zip tie your wiring up and out of the way of any and all moving parts or hot engine components. Then repeat on other side.
As you can see, once installed, the LED mirror lights vastly enhance the visual footprint of the Spyder, increasing your likeliness of being seen by other motorists. If safety is on your mod list, head over to slingmods.com today to pick up a set of Hi-ViZ mirror lights for your bike. Feel free to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything Spyder. I'm Jen, and we'll see you out on the road.